Okay, it's David here from Danny's. Today we're looking at a couple things. If you like Gordon Dry Gin, then we have sort of two options. There's a simple top shelf dry gin that we have here. Another option is we have the classic gin. So the difference between these two, this is a bit better quality is what they say. I tend to agree. I find that their quality is pretty good on these ones. It's a bit more money, of course, but it's all variable for how much you're spending or how much you're saving, I guess you could say. So this one makes 2.25 liters, so there's two sachets or two little baggies inside of liquid that each bag makes 1.125 liters. And in this one we have it makes 2.25 liters, but it's just cheaper. And you have the amounts, so each one has 3 750 mils, so you can see it there. And if you like the Gordon's gin, then this is the essences that you could choose from. You can choose between this one or the classic gin. Both really good, both very good sellers, but it just depends on what you want to try. Another option I always recommend people is try one of each, see which one you like. If you don't see a big difference, then stick with the one that you do like. And if the cheaper one is the one, then that's nothing wrong with that.